Alright, continue. Today I'm going to introduce the radicals in the one middle key. So, which is A, I think, on your keyboard, one middle. So this key has only one radical, which is the fundamental radical 1 horizontal. Okay, so I'm going to show you these characters that they all have one middle, which is horizontal in there. Okay, so let's begin from the first one. The first one is a little tricky because it's not exactly horizontal. You can see the stroke in the middle, but this is also called horizontal because it's writing from the left to the right. Okay, so when you would like to type this character, you start with 5 because 5 is a right turn, so you hit 5 middle. Okay, and then you have horizontal, which is 1 middle. Okay, and space. Continue. This one has two parts, the upper parts and the lower. The last stroke is 1 horizontal. And so let's see, upper, it begins with 9 and end with 3. So this one is 9 3. 9 3 is at 9 upper. So we hit 9 upper. And then the last stroke, 1 middle and space. Okay, next one, the first stroke you can see horizontal, so we hit a middle. And continue, this one is a 9 left falling, so we hit 9 middle. And the last one, this one is 7 8 because this one move is 7, and then we have 8 at the bottom, so 7 8 is at 7 lower. We hit 7 lower here. Alright, continue. First stroke horizontal, so we hit A, which is 1 middle. And then the rest, the bottom, you can see it begins with a 7 lit and end with dot 6. So this one is a 7 6. 7 6 is at 7 lower. Alright, next one. I'm sure a lot of you seen this character and think of, oh, this is crazy, but you don't have to worry about it because remember the rules I taught you in the last video, the front 3 rear 1 rule. So this one applies. So let's see the very top, you can see the lid. So lid is 7, fundamental key 7 middle. And continue, here's another lid, you can see here. Okay, so here's another lid. So we hit 7 middle again. And according to the stroke, you have to write here. This is a horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. Alright, you've got 3 already. 3 radicals already. We go to the last. So these 2 strokes last. So this is 9. And this is 8. So 9 is left falling, 8 is right falling. So 9 8 is at right, 9 lower, and space. Okay, continue. We have horizontal in the middle, and the upper radical, it begins with 7 lit and 1 1 1. So it's 7 1. It's at 7 upper. Okay, so this one, the longer stroke horizontal is 1, so we hit 1 middle. And this 2 dots here, this 8, so we hit 8 middle. Okay, continue. The next character, there are only 2 strokes. So you can see first one horizontal, 1 middle, and then this is 3 vertical, 3 middle, and space. Okay, next one, 2 parts. The first stroke is 1 horizontal, so 1 middle, And the rest, you can see it begins with 3 and end with 1. So this is 3 1, 3 vertical, 1 horizontal. 3 1 is at 3 upper and space. And you pick the second one. Okay, next one we have 4 8, 4 is crest, and 8 here. So 4 8 is at 4 lower, and then the last stroke is horizontal. So we hit it one middle. Okay. And the next one, this one, we have a new rule for this. It's called over the stroke. There are a few radicals that is not following the stroke, so we call it over the stroke. But you can see the frame of this character. So here's the 4 crest, double crest, and then this is 1 because this radical uses in some other characters. So this is not following the stroke. Okay, so we pick this 4 1 for crest and this 1 here. 4 1 is at 4 upper, and then we go back to this stroke horizontal, 1 middle. Okay, and next one. The left upper one begins with 3 and end with 1, so this one is 3 1. 3 1 is at 3 upper. And then this is 1 2 1 horizontal, and 2 is for left turn, so 1 2 is at 1 upper. And 2 strokes horizontal here, so we hit 1 middle twice. Alright. And next one we have person on the left hand side. Person is 8, so we hit a middle. And the next radical is 9 2 because this one 9 is left falling, and this curve is a left turn, so this is 9 2. 9 2 is at 9 upper. Continue this stroke is horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. Okay, so 3 radicals already. Remember the front 3, the rear 1 row, so we go to the last one. This horizontal at the end, so horizontal 1 middle and space. Okay, the last one, it begins with 1 horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. And the middle, this radical begins with 3 and end with 3. So this is 3 3. 3 3 is at 3 upper. And the last stroke here, horizontal, so we hit 1 middle and space. Okay, so that's all for the radicals. For I think there are only one. There's only one. There's one horizontal. Yeah. Introduction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.